I'm John Ewell with DFW Urethane. The building owner asked us to take a look at a little problem that they've got where the insulation under the bottom of this particular building right here is a concrete structure, but the insulation is falling off and it's getting in the grass and blowing all over the campus. So we took a look at it and tried to put a plan together to take off the existing insulation. This was covered with the cellulose insulation that was falling off. So this was all completely scraped, and then we came back with a broom, a stiff broom, and broomed it. So it's remarkably clean, so the adhesion of the polyurethane is going to be good. We're applying polyurethane foam now, and we're going to put it on at an R30. So it's going to be incredibly efficient. What was on it was only about 1.5 inches of like a cellulose, ground up newspaper type product. So as we talk to the people inside, the floors have been extremely cold and the cold temperatures. The R30 with the polyurethane is going to solve all that. The closed cell polyurethane foam that we sprayed under the bottom of this is just perfect for this particular application. No matter where you are in the country, if you're down by the coast where you've got a lot of moisture and stuff, I mean, polyurethane is Coast Guard approved flotation. So it's just perfect for spraying under the bottom of these buildings, especially if you've got rising water from time to time. It's not going to hurt it. So this is just ideal, and it just doesn't fall off.